Let's have a date.
Tama?
Oo. Saan tayo pupunta? Ano kasi to? MRT? LRT?
LRT1.
LRT1. Naglalakad-lakad. Saan kami pupunta? Ang naririnig namin ay
Ice cream.
alarm ng ice cream. Dito muna tayo. Magchika-chika with my loved one. Thank you. Ang nat na ay laging humihingi ng yellow for take home. My son's and I's favorite here. Roasted chicken pesto with shirataki mushroom. Pero walang effort to put it inside.
No, wala naman. Not too much effort.
Is it just me or you also notice?
Ah.
Itong roasted chicken pesto nila, nag-lessen yung cheese. Did you notice it either? I mean, did you notice it too?
Pero,
Yes,
I mean,
it
mas
kind of
nag-
became less,
mas
it became
nag-lessen yung
drier.
chicken. Mas nag-lessen yung chicken.
And the cheese. And the cheese. I noticed. Yung talagang naggaganon, nagsaslide. I thought it was me. And so, na-realize ko now, seeing the video, naka-off pala yung aking microphone. So, ayan is my next favorite from Starbucks. It's their penny pesto with mushroom again. Pare-parehong pesto, di ba? Ayan. And then, we are eating it already as our dinner. Tapos, sinasabi ko dyan na masarap siya. And then, I'm asking Justin if he'd like to try. Kahit ayaw niya, sige, pilit. Pilitin kahit ayaw. So, sabi ko parang meron bang nag-iba na alter ba yung penne mushroom nila, penne pesto cheesy na yan. So, for him, medyo more on pesto daw than cheesy. Sa akin, basically, parang pareho lang. But you know, I can pay for the keypad of the laptop pa yun. Change. Really? Oh, let's see.
At saka, in terms of priority, I'd rather you prioritize laptop cover.
Yes. Yung
Yung
green.
Kahit mag-brown out, I can plug in my Wi-Fi, I can plug in whatever, para I can still do work. Or even when I'm outside, I don't have to bring necessarily my phone. I can just plug the power bank, plug the laptop into the power bank. Done.
Roasted chicken pesto. Shirataki mushroom. Yum. But I need more cheese that I used to have. They cost positive. Ay, tuwang-tuwa. Artificial. Ganito lang kaming mag-bonding, mag-enough whenever we can. So we just enjoy each other's company. So that's all, folks, people. Thank you for watching. Until the next one. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you.